Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Well, today we're at the airport. We're in Miami actually. I did not vlog in Jamaica coming to Miami because all of that was a rush. Basically, a rush getting at the airport because I was kind of late, so I could have vlogged at all. And then story time. I'm always TSA don't like me. America Custom don't like me. I don't know if it's because I go to LA or something, or because I have beef patty all the time, because this is my second time and the second time I have beef patty. But I always get sent down at the bottom and then go back to the regular places. I don't know, like this is my second time and the second experience was better than the first, because the first time I was like, alright, the first time what happened was I went there. Whoop, look, I'm flight actually. There was something there. People from my flight. Is this my flight? B38, B37. Okay, so my other flight is actually boarding now. So I go to some of my friends off to eat. So anyways, what had happened is, or maybe when we finish, when we reach, I'm telling you, or when we're at the plane, I don't know, because we need to figure this out. So I'll get back to you guys when I'm done.
And clear skies. Once again, welcome aboard. We'll give you an update as we get closer and an update on the arrival time. Thank you.
Or I'll slap you.
So I am here in LA, guys. I'm tired, I'm hungry. That's the case today we are trying ourselves.
Do not.
You look nice with your little sweater. See?
I'm in her sweater. Tug life. Me look fat.
And that's why
Uber driver lit. Cardi B was here in LAX yesterday.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Love me some Cardi B.
Yeah.
You're from Jamaica?
Yes.
I love it. Welcome.
Yeah. Thank you.
You hang with a lot of Jamaicans? Beautiful women, beautiful accent. I love the Jamaican.
Okay.
You hang around a lot of Jamaicans? I have, yes. Richard was my friend Richard.
Oh, because you picked the accent up, you know.
The Deep Roots Club.
Yeah. Okay.
He had dreads down to the ground.
Ooh. Yeah. So that's for fun Uber driver. Safaree. And it's Safaree. Yes, it's Safaree. Oh my god, oh my god. Safaree! We love you! Safaree! Oh god! What's the Safaree? Because see that, I never realized that even now. Oh shit. I read some Messina, I read Jackie Far. Oh yes, it is. So we just
Pull over and see some more of that time.
Safaree just I laugh. I'm so
Yeah, it's
so just a Safaree. Our time here was made.
Exit out right. Is he he's a
He's Nicki Minaj ex.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, I don't know. I happened to see that Cardi was here yesterday in her purple blanket.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I have pictures of her. I was like, I was here yesterday like 5 or 6 times. How come I didn't see her?
Oh my god.
I missed her.
Well, if you hang around LAX enough, you'll see a lot of them. I guess I'm gonna leave. Like my leave.
The man on him foreman.
You know, well, the time kind of cool.
I said, we're driving fast, so I settle down, man. I said, and I'm seeing job for the form. I'm gonna get a better view, you know.
Yeah, I tell you.
I get a better view.
Let's say I must always have a camera out.
I tell you. But me I tell you, I look on the person where I pass him, I look on him, And I went time I look back, I said, I look back, I said, I'm not really him not. At the forum, I said, really.
Signature for.
down.
So, yeah, I'm gonna reach home with top of the for a month.
Too loud.
Yeah.
It's too loud. It's too loud.
Good morning, Los Angeles. It's a scorching day in our Southland. Taking a look at our highs today. 95 degrees in downtown.
God damn, it's hot out this motherfucker.
Temperatures in the 80s and nothing but clear skies.
Hey, yo, Bilal, what's up?
Hi guys, so new day, going to the gym and the all today. So we're heading there now. Basically, we are at, I don't even know what the name of this mall is. What is that coolest spot? We're here chill. Chase with our headphone in, not ear shit. Exactly. So when I reach into the gym, I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so we just finished with the gym. Vlogging. We just finished with the gym. She wants to show her heart, her ass.
My nice posterior, little sweat mark and all. Yeah.
So anyways, yeah, that was Tracy's ass. So anyways, we're done with the gym, and oh, I know some have a story to tell you. Just one time I reach, I'm telling you. But we're gonna walk around a little bit until we get picked up.
My outfit, please. She vlogged my posterior, now it's time to vlog my outfit.
Alright, so tell us where the top is from.
I'm not gonna tell y'all. My nipples cooperating. Finally today.
No, but you need to tell us where they're from if we're going to show off your outfit.
Sweat mark right there. Why is this nigga taking a picture of me? No pictures today.
No, the man really sit down and take a video of me. So anyways.
Hey, what's wrong with it? It's not walking.
You probably didn't want someone to talk to us. You probably didn't want someone to ask one question. So anyways, yeah. So we,
yeah, they're just looking people down.
yeah, I know. I used to do that shit, you know.
What?
In school, I had to be in the
Wait, where did we still do the wings?
where is the thing there? The whole food.
That block says on that block.
So
Norman is down here. Come. Yo, people not pick up them dog shit. Them nasty.
So anyways, the man behind me over here. So anyways, we're there. I walk the road and be Jamaican. We should just ask somebody if it's something in Jamaica. No, passport.
Who?
No.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Of course, it's
Ain't
fun.
nobody got time for that.
But what would I ask them to say?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
What would I ask them to say? Wagwan.
No.
Me go ask
Fucking
them.
LA people too bougie.
Not really.
They are uptight.
No, I have stuff, but I haven't seen.
Ask anybody about any uptight.
Some off.
No.
The man is shaking and say yes.
Yeah?
The man shaking and say yes.
Them uptight for sure. I'm gonna them better than people.
So I'm sure on the road.
Some of them most bougie set of people there.
Most of the people live at LA don't come from LA, you know that?
Well, I'm bullshit.
That's how you talk. That's how you talk, because I yourself you talk about.
It's not myself, no, I'm telling you. That's how they are. That's how they are. Why am I to say the R? That's how they are. Hard.
A tired carriage.
Who's trying to pick me up? Hey, Daddy.
Yes, there's somebody back us off.
Due to old Paul Drive. You see old Paul Drive? Paul will make people make people kill me because I saw Paul Drive. Force them to you. That's some more one best friend.
Best friend?
That's the type of best friend I want. I be walking in the street
and then just vlog.
And they're walking.
Sit here.
Oh my gosh, she's
Sit
so
here.
pretty. Excuse me. You are so gorgeous. Oh, thank you so much. You're welcome. Come. Oh, you can.
They look like them all take picture. I don't know, me see like them have camera.
No, don't take that. Okay.
Yeah, that's what I said that them I do.
She got the wings on her back too.
Yeah.
Right? The wings on her back, but right there.
Yeah, so we're waiting to go at the wings.
You are a goddess living in a city of angels. I am an angel.
So we're gonna try to get photos right just and then come back.
Shit.
Why not focus?
Get in that ass.
I don't know. I'm trying to focus, y'all. Focus. Hi guys, so I am home finally. Been home for a while. I'm tired, peeing up, gym problem, talking to Bay. Say hi.
Hi. What's up, vlog girl?
I have one story to tell them. I'm gonna tell them from yesterday. I'm gonna get to finish tell them. So I'm gonna tell them my story. My travel, my always traveling to LA story.
Oh, yes.
So yeah.
Airport experience.
Yeah. Big good. So yeah, but I tell them the story. I don't know what I did end, so I just start from beginning again. So who text me? So let me just say, oh, like the first time coming to LA, when I was at custom and call him. Immigration. TC, whatever they call him. Yeah, so the first time coming to immigration, I got pulled out of the line. No, I go up to the immigration officer. Then, them like, oh, just wait over there. So you know, say when normally if they will say wait over there for the, is it the officer or security? Whichever one. So it was basically me, them say, oh, wait over there, wait to the, like they said, wait till the police officer come and come get you. So I'm like, okay then, what is happening? Why the police officer will come get me? Why me stomp right there so for the police officer will come get me? Then the police, then I was standing up there, you know, say you go to the immigration officer already. So when people see a step back out of the line in the corner, people will be like, oh, what she do? So I was like, okay then, what did I do? What happened? What did I do? Take my visa? Because she had my passport. She never gave me my passport. She said the police officer will get my passport and then we can go check. We can go down somewhere. So now the police officer come for me now. I'm like, I'm not a beat up. I'm like, okay, what's happening? Because I still don't know, because I still didn't tell me what was happening. So I was like, what's happening? Then they take me down to where the luggage, you can claim my luggage, but it was on another side. So it was basically a clear glass crossing from where you can get your luggage. So the officer said, all right, you're going to tell this man what your luggage look like so he can take it to you. So I'm like, all right, I have a hard black suitcase. So I said, yeah, and my name is on it, because my name tag was on there. So then I look for my bag now. I'm like, all right, cool. Granted, I had like probably 2 hours for my next flight to go through. 2 hours, yeah, I think it's 2 hours. So it's like, and as you can say, I basically spend 1 hour already for go through, no, probably half an hour for go through immigration line. So I'm like, I only have 1 more hour. So now I went through immigration so now my dad and the man take long for find my luggage, because it's an old man, an old Spanish man. He speaks Spanish. So I was like, alright, him old, and it's like him not understand me and me not understand him, because he speaks like him speaks Spanish more than how he speak English. And then I don't know if my accent I show him off or what, but him not understand what me I say, and me not understand what him I say, because his accent, he might mix English with Spanish, and that showed me after. So I was getting a bit upset at him, and then I look at him and say, oh God, don't get too upset. So then me like, I try to assist him through the glass, because as I tell you, there was a glass. So I try to assist him through the glass, and I'm like, sir, look on that side, this one look like my bag. And then finally he like him understand what I try to say, because I said, sir, some bag there, because I saw my bag eventually. I was like, sir, that's my suitcase. And I'm like, huh, the one over there? I'm like, no, right there, it's right there. So alright, I get my suitcase, bam. So then there was a security at the front there, and he said, oh, you get the suitcase now? Yes. And I said, alright, go to follow the yellow line down to that, like I said, follow the yellow, you have some yellow and green, you have a green and yellow spot like circles. So I said, follow the yellow one and go down. So me follow the yellow one now, went down into somewhere where them have mostly better equipment will look through your bag or whatever. I don't know what it is, but them rescan my bag. And then because at the time the first time I came, well, at the time my address was Crenshaw, my address on the thing was that I'm going Crenshaw. So I'm like, oh, you know, say I go a gang established place, blah blah blah. I'm like, huh? Yeah, where all the bloods? I'm like, huh? I don't know anything about that. So I'm like, oh, what? So what you're going down there to do? So I said, I'm going down there to my friend's wedding, because that's what I was doing that's what I came for last year. So I said I'm coming to my friend's wedding. So I'm so, okay, cool. And then it was like, oh, make sure so you keep yourself safe and blah blah blah. And I'm like, alright, cool. And then say, alright, put your bag up on the thing. So then search my bag, scan through my bag and everything, and then him say, alright, go through that door and go back, and they will take your bag, and then you can go and look for your connected flight. So boom, that happened the last time. This time now I go through immigration office quite fine and everything. Like, yes, finally me not get a bad experience, because this is my second time going through Miami airport, and this like every time I go through Miami airport something bad, because I've never been through that to go to New York. And I'm like, okay. So boom, this time I go and I go through immigration quite fine, collect my next luggage, I go through. Then one policeman see me, oh hi. I'm like, hi, what you doing? So I'm say, oh, I'm okay. So I'm like, oh, what's in that bag? I say, patty. I'm like, oh, cool, patties. So it's like, oh, go to that side with the, see the yellow circles, follow the yellow circles. I'm like, bro, second time I'm gonna have to do the same thing over. So I'm like, alright, follow the yellow circle, go down. So I'm like, this time I was not as nervous as I was the first time, because the first time, like, legit me never know what I do. Like, they never explain nothing to me. Like, then just say, oh, wait over there. So, and the police officer will come for you. So you know, say you got like be afraid, like, what the hell did I do? So I'm like, wait for the soon for the post office. But this time when them like one said for the yellow, I'm like, yeah, just to check my bag. But last time it was more terrifying. It was scary, like real scary. Cause I'm like, what am I gonna do? Cause first of all, then check my passport. I'm like, shit, I'm a passport supposed to misplace my passport. I don't wanna happen and blah blah blah. So I was like, plus me I said I wonder if they must send me back on my yard and blah 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 because what did I do wrong? Like me never know. So I'm like, there was 10 million and one things going through my head. I'm like, suppose somebody put something in my bag and they find something in my bag and blah blah blah. I was like, oh my god, how much something. There was like 10 million things going through my mind in that circumstance the first time, but this time it was like, oh, then just gotta check your bag, scan it, and then you go through. So that was what happened. And basically both of my flight them, well, my first flight I nearly missed. My second flight I was just in time to go through the line and go up on my flight. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my other vlog soon, because this is where I'm going to end this one. Ciao. I'm gonna talk to Babe. You want to tell him bye, Babe?
What?
You want to tell him bye?
Yeah, leave.
I'm telling them bye. I'm telling them bye.
Don't go nowhere. Okay, only don't go nowhere. Only stay right there and watch more video.
Well,
Make sure to subscribe.
say bye.
Bye.
Alright guys, so I'll talk to you. I'll see you on the other vlogs. So bye.